This stitch is worked on a multiple of 5 plus 2. It is a 2-row repeat, and I have 17 stitches for this little sample here. For row 1, which is the right side, you'll start by purling the first 2 stitches and then begin a pattern repeat. What we're going to do is we're going to knit this second stitch, and then we're going to knit this first stitch, and then both of those will be slipped from the left needle at the same time. To knit this second stitch, you're going to go in the front like you normally would to knit, and you're going to come out between the 2 stitches in the back. Knit, and then knit the first stitch, and drop both from the left needle. Now you're going to purl 3, and that's the repeat. We're going to knit our second stitch first. So go in from front to back like you normally would to make a knit stitch. And you're going to come out between your 2 stitches. Knit, and then knit the first stitch. And drop both from the left needle at the same time. And purl 3. So here's our second stitch. Go in from front to back, and you'll be coming out between those 2 stitches in the back. It can be a little tricky to get that part. If you use a sharp tipped needle, that will help you a little bit. And practice, of course, will make this easy for you. And then purl 3. Row 2, we'll start by knitting 2, and then begin your pattern repeat. What we're going to do is purl the second stitch first, and then purl the first stitch. So you'll just go into your second stitch as you normally would when you are purling. And then purl the first stitch. And drop both from the left needle at the same time. And then you knit 3. Purl your second stitch on the left needle first. Purl the first stitch. And drop them both from the left needle at the same time. Knit 3. So this is our last repeat. Knitting that, or purling that second stitch first. Purl the first stitch. Knit 3. Here's the back. And then you would just repeat those 2 rows for the pattern.